Once again, thank you for viewing and watching Unlimited Supplies YouTube channel. What we're going to show you here today is how to set up the Wi-Fi. In order for you to use the G-Box, Matricom's G-Box, you must be able to set up the Wi-Fi. The new firmware will look like this. This is how it will look. You have the home, the clock, all the apps will be on the bottom. The new firmware is 2.2. In this case 2.21. We got the 2.2 firmware, and this is how it looks. In order for you to set up the Wi-Fi, in order for you to use the G-Box and you're using Wi-Fi, the first thing you need to do is set it up. Now, what I want you to do is scroll down and scroll to the right and go to the sprocket. As soon as you do that, you will see the Wi-Fi settings. I want you to click on that. Now, since I've already been in this box, it's going to look a little bit different, but what it will look like is this. It will have a sprocket and settings. What I want you to do is hit the OK on sprocket, scroll over to just once, and click on the just once. What happens after that? It opens up into Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi will say off. Scroll to the right here with the remote and just hit the button, hit the OK button. It will say turning on and searching for Wi-Fi networks. Wait for your Wi-Fi network to show up. It should show up in the list. This is a listing of all the Wi-Fis in the area that I am at. Now, scroll down to your Wi-Fi. Make sure before you start this to have your Wi-Fi password at hand. When you type it in up here, you will go down to the keyboard here. If you're using the remote, you'll go down to the keyboard and type in your password. Make sure your password is correct. If you're upper or lower case letters, make sure they're in. Do not mistake a 1 for an I, and so on and so forth. I will now put my Wi-Fi password in. Once the Wi-Fi password is in, you will need to scroll up to click the cursor button here pointed at the box, and once you do that, I didn't do it, go again, just go up and across to connect. It's a little annoying to do, but that's just how it works. Hit the OK button and it will start connecting. It says saved here. Connecting, authenticating. It would say, normally it says obtaining IP address, and once it says that and says connected, you should be okay. Okay, there's a problem with this. I think I put the Wi-Fi password in wrong, so I'm going to say forget and start all over again. Okay, let's start again. Save, connecting, obtaining IP address. Now it's connected. So we're going to scroll out to the front. Inside the 9 squares here will be all your apps. If these are not on front, just scroll into this and all of the apps will be back here. Now, first and foremost, your time clock will end up being correct. The time clock, if it was wrong at first, once the internet is connected, the time should show up as the correct time. Another way of checking is you go to your speed test. The speed test will start at begin test. You can test it and see what your speed is. You can go to the internet here and type in a random site. I'll just type in 3 A's and hit search. As you can see, if your internet is not on, nothing will show up. This tells me my internet actually is connected. I can now go to my Kodi and my Mobdru and watch TV. Now, please remember this. If your iPad is connected to the internet, if your laptop is connected to the internet, that does not mean your G-Box is connected to the internet. All that means is your internet is working and it is connected to those devices. you must first connect it. Go through the connecting process inside the sprocket here. You must go through this process in order to use the G-Box. Thank you once again for watching Unlimited Supplies YouTube channel. Please follow us and subscribe to us. Thank you.